Today I want to speak with you about our product, the Shave Factory neck strips. I want to talk to you about the benefits of this particular product. This is a multi-purpose neck strip. The benefits is that each neck strip is self-adhesive, they're very strong, they're stretchable, hygienic, very hygienic, disposable, which means one strip per customer, and more importantly, extraordinarily soft. Soft around the client's neck where the customer doesn't have to be complaining because the product is too harsh, giving him a rash. This particular sleeve has 5 rolls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Each roll consists of 100 strips. In essence, this roll has 500 strips, which means you can go through 500 customers with one sleeve. In addition to that, on the back of the sleeve, we have instructions on how to use the particular neck strip. Now, neck strips are important because they help keep contamination from one client to the next down to its extreme lowest point. One other cool thing about this particular product is that we've included perforated lines that separates each particular roll. Now the purpose of that is when you remove one roll from the sleeve or detach one roll from the sleeve, the remaining 4 rolls or the remaining 2 that remains on the sleeve maintains sanitary purposes. So if I cut out the line and I begin to snap open the neck strip, the remaining 4 rolls maintains sanitary purposes. To complement this neck strip, they come with a dispenser. Take one roll, loosen it that way. The suction pieces here allows you to close it onto your mirror. However, you can now take one strip at a time. And here you have it. These are our Shaving Factory neck strips.